this section is the blood exposure procedure. So the proctor will read, you will demonstrate the blood exposure procedure. You will imagine the following scenario. During a service, your client has sustained a minor cut to the forehead. The injury is such that you can continue with the service. You've not come into contact with blood and your work area has not been contaminated. You are expected to demonstrate the proper procedure for blood exposure. You will be expected to follow all client protection, safety, and infection control procedures. You will have 10 minutes to complete this section. You will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining. Step back to indicate you've finished. So they're going to repeat that again, and they'll say, you may begin. That's your signal. You may sanitize. So you go ahead and get your sanitizer on your hands. Okay, and then you're going to get your first aid kit. You're going to open it up and get your things out. Place them on your SMA that you need. So you need a bag, a pair of gloves, a Band-Aid, and an alcohol wipe. Then you close your first aid kit back up, set it aside, and then you're going to go ahead, open your bag up, and the best way, kind of turn it inside out like this, and put your hand in there to kind of open that up. Okay, so there's your bag. I set it over there. I was going to show you, and then I realized. Okay, so now go ahead and once your bag is all opened, then and it's staying like that, then you're going to grab your gloves. And I just sanitized my hands. You didn't have to sanitize. It was just habit. Don't sanitize before you put on gloves or you'll never get them on like I just did. Let me see. Okay, so get on my gloves. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to take the alcohol wipe, tear it open, put the paper in the bag, and then you got to remember this is a plastic doll and it is not going to absorb this alcohol wipe. And if you put wipe clear across, then the Band-Aid won't stick because it's going to be wet. So just wipe a little area like this. Okay, just a tiny little area, and then throw that into your bag. Then you're going to take your Band-Aid and you're going to open it up, okay, and then throw that into the bag. And then you're going to take these little tabs, hold the tabs, put it on there, and then just go ahead and place the Band-Aid on. Okay, then the tabs go in there, gloves inside out, okay, and they go in the bag, and then the bag gets zipped shut. Okay, and then it goes into the trash, and then you sanitize your hands, and then you step back to indicate